Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Open Settings on your iPhone and go to Mail Accounts Add Account. Choose Google and sign in with your Gmail address. If you use two-step verification, make sure you use the app password you created. Otherwise, enter your normal password. Once done, grant Mail permission to access mail, contacts, calendars, and notes so syncing works. This gets the basic connection in place quickly and securely so you can finish setup in the next steps. After signing in, you'll see permission prompts. Accept them to allow Mail to download messages. Make sure the Mail toggle is on. You can also enable contacts, calendars, and notes if you want those synced. Tap the account entry to set Mail days to sync or change fetch settings to push, fetch, or manual depending on battery and data preferences. If Mail doesn't appear, choose Add Account Other and set a map manually using a map. Gmail, COM, and SMTP. Gmail, COM with your credentials. Open the Mail app to confirm messages are downloading. Check all inboxes and Gmail folders like Sent and Labels. Make sure notifications and VIP settings match your needs and edit your signature if desired. If Mail isn't syncing, ensure a map is enabled in Gmail, sign out and back in, or create and use an app password if you have two-step verification. Also update iOS and reboot your iPhone. Those steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.